Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete FACEIT account. Hey everyone, in today's video, let me show you how to delete your FACEIT account step by step. First, open your web browser, head to the FACEIT Support page using the link provided in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see a contact form. In the first box, enter your registered email address. Next, under Contract Reason, scroll down and select GDPR and then Personal Data Removal. After that, enter your FACEIT account URL, select the game you play, and optionally include your in-game ID. In the subject line, type delete account and in the description box, write a short message like I want to delete my account along with your full name, phone number, and a photo ID if requested. Once everything looks good, scroll down and hit submit. FACEIT will process your request and your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days unless you log back in to cancel the process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.